Good morning, Viatorian community. We are very happy to continue working successfully with the development of the International Baccalaureate programs.
Teachers give us opinions about the IB programs at San Viator.
I think that the IB program is a big step for the school, also a big step for the students to learn more, to be progressive, to share cultures, and to be part of the world. I think that's very important, and it gave an opportunity for me also to learn a lot.
Para mí, estar en el Colegio San Viator ha significado evidenciar grandes cambios tanto en los niños como pues en toda la institución, todos los cambios que se han hecho para mejorar el ambiente educativo y pues laboral también para los docentes. Ha significado mejor oportunidades para los chicos para que experimenten y vivencien la educación desde diversas perspectivas y así consigan un mayor aprendizaje, pues más felices y más alegres para todos.
¿Qué es lo que más me gusta del colegio? Pues que se haya abierto a esta propuesta internacional de plantear una visión holística y una visión de mente abierta.
I think one of the best things working here at San Viator and being also a student at San Viator is the IB profile that we're managing here. It's a really good program, and I really can see as a European that it assembles a lot of the kind of education that we have in our countries, and I'm happy being here.
Tener profesores de otros países le daría a los estudiantes la oportunidad de conocer más sobre otros países, de sus culturas, idiomas, entonces le daría la oportunidad de expandir su sentido global al estudiante.
He aprendido mucho en este nuevo mundo IB que tenemos a nuestro alrededor, y la verdad me siento como un colombiano más y bueno, gracias a todo este hermoso país que me ha brindado la oportunidad de dar un poquito más de mi saber.
Día a día pues me siento contenta de llegar a trabajar a un sitio que es bonito, que es alegre, que está lleno de naturaleza por todos lados, donde mis compañeros de trabajo son increíbles, el apoyo es maravilloso desde mis pares hasta los directivos. Me parece que es un lugar que te invita a trabajar y te invita a hacer las cosas cada vez mejor.
Y de nuestra parte, un más sincero y profundo agradecimiento porque estamos demasiado agradecidos por todo lo que ha hecho el colegio con nosotros. Muchísimas gracias.
The thing that I like most about San Viator is the kind of ambience that we have here at the school. I love that the kids feel as Viatorianos, and I also feel like that as a teacher. We are really one big family.
The PYP and MYP workshop for parents were held last weekend.
Your participation in these fundamental activities for the education of your children is highly appreciated.
Today we have our Parents PYP workshop. This was a great learning experience because we talked about our PYP enhancements for these coming years.
During the PYP Parents Workshop, all families had the opportunity to learn and explore some main features about our recent improvements. We talked about the role of agency, the learner, the learning community, the role of play, among other main topics. Parents were able to understand our teaching approach as they participate in different games, thinking routines, and activities. Families show commitment to their kids when they take action during our workshops.
We are very happy sharing with the parents about the exhibition 2018. The topic for this year is about negative and positive influence of the social networks in the community. It's important that the parents support our students in this process. We invite you to follow our projects with the students.
Se realizó con éxito el taller de padres de familia sobre las habilidades de enfoque del aprendizaje. Recordemos que los enfoques de aprendizaje son estrategias, habilidades y actitudes deliberadas que permiten el entorno de la enseñanza y el aprendizaje. Apoyan la creencia del IB que defiende que la educación de un estudiante no solo es importante cómo se enseña, sino también cómo se interioriza.
That same day, there was a houses competition meeting for parents.
Hoy estamos en una nueva jornada de competencias de houses de padres de familia. Hoy hemos preparado para ellos unas competencias tipo hexatlón, en donde cada una de las estaciones tiene una prueba básica que es pasar unos obstáculos y el juego final que es acertar o realizar algunas de los aciertos que se necesitan para completar la prueba como tal. Esperamos que los padres de familia lo disfruten, la pasen muy rico y que le sumen puntos a cada una de sus casas.
Bueno, hoy la estoy pasando muy bien, pues ahorita estoy compartiendo con mis amigos y esperando a que mi papá participe para que nos dé puntos a Stafford. ¡Stafford!
This is the results for the house days for parents. Luis Gerbes, 100 points. James Crilly, 200 points. John Cusack, 300 points. John Stafford, 400 points. And this is the position chart. Luis Gerbes, 1,875 points. John Cusack, 2,325 points. James Crilly, 2,620 points. John Stafford, 2,725 points. And the next competitions are on August 22nd for secondary school and August 23rd for primary school.
As part of the planning and development of the 4th unit of inquiry, today's decision affects tomorrow, the second grade students went on a field trip to DiverCity.
The students of second grade visited DiverCity. It was a great experience for them. The purpose of the activity were that the students were in contact with goods and services. Students participated in different activities, which reinforced them the topic of goods and services.
As part of the same unit, 4th grade students visited the Astronomical Observatory at Universidad Sergio Arboleda.
4th grade students had the opportunity to visit Sergio Arboleda University. There, they attended a lecture about our solar system and had the opportunity of interacting with a real telescope. It was a very interesting and exciting experience, not only for our students, but also for our teachers.
The great celebration day of the Viatorian family is drawing near. Come on, September 16th, and share an atmosphere full of games, raffles, and shows.
Ms. Jasmine Cortez, President of Parent Association, tell us more about this important day.
Buenos días. Se acerca el Día de la Familia, donde todos tendremos la oportunidad de compartir con nuestros hijos y seres queridos, disfrutando de las diferentes actividades que tendremos en este especial evento. Todo esto con el fin de fortalecer nuestros lazos como comunidad viatoriana y los lazos familiares, donde siempre se fortalecen los valores y los principios de nuestros hijos. Contaremos con la participación de la Orquesta Rumba Banda, el artista vallenato Pillao Rodríguez, quien nos acompaña con la emisora La Calle, Liliana Muñoz, yo me llamo Ana Gabriel, acompañada del mariachi Real Escarpeta, el artista Nicolás Mallorca y la presencia de la emisora La Mega. De igual manera tendremos diferentes rifas y juego de 5 bingos, una bicicleta todoterreno, un Xbox Kinect, un televisor 4K, un computador portátil y el gran bingo, carro Nissan March modelo 2019, que tiene como obsequio la matrícula, tapetes originales y kit de carretera. Nuestros estudiantes podrán disfrutar de las diferentes atracciones que tendremos este día, incluida nuestra espectacular novedad Box and Ball, y toda la familia podrá disfrutar de los diferentes platos de comidas que podrán adquirir durante el evento. Y recuerda, para una mayor armonía, muy amablemente les solicitamos no traer mascotas, ya que próximamente realizaremos un evento que compartan con este ser tan especial. Mil gracias, los esperamos.
And now, our flash news.
Hi everyone. Siva Kumari, General Director of the IB, will be visiting the school on September 6th.
only 5 IB schools in Bogotá were included in the official agenda of SIVA during her visit to Colombia. It is an honor and a privilege for our community to have her here. We congratulate and wish many more successes to Tomás Vargas 1049, pre-selected by the Bogotá Basketball League to participate in the National Under-15 Men's Basketball Championship, which will take place in Barranquilla in September. Kudos to Andrés Orjuela from 1047 and Gabriel Castro from 1153, winners of the first place in the 2018 National Qualifying Competition of the 34th Colombian Physics Olympics organized by the Universidad Antonio Nariño. Juan Andrés Parra of 532, who participated in the State Taekwondo Olympics in the United States, where he won 2 bronze medals honoring his country and his school. We congratulate our alumni, José Miguel Fonseca from 2013, who obtained a scholarship to study a master's in literature at the Universidad de los Andes. We share some photos of Juan Sebastián Gutiérrez Gómez of 738 and Daniel Tobón Yepes of 531, who participated in the summer program in Toronto, Canada.
If you are looking for stickers to complete your album, but it's too difficult to find teachers to talk to, do not worry.
Starting next week, there will be a series of activities in which you will get lots of them.
Tuesdays are K-Karaoke Break. You can participate alone or with a group of friends.
Fridays, Speaking Square, come talk, learn and get some stickers.
Scavenge Hunt. Find clues to get stickers. The more clues you find, the more stickers you will get.
Finally, if you have many of the same stickers and don't know what to do with them, Trading Thursday is for you. Come to the tables in front of the Stafford Coliseum and exchange them.
Remember, stickers are gained by speaking English. They do not have any commercial value. Don't pay for them, just practice your English. We have reached the end of our Notiviator, and we wish you all an excellent holiday weekend.
We want to remind parents that the Diploma Program Workshop will take place on August 25th. We are looking forward to seeing you here. See you soon. Y lo sacamos sincronizado el sillo, muy bien.